Good morning, meteorologist Steve Krasnowski here with your weather briefing storm scoop update March 19th. It's a Friday, 2021. Now it gets nice. Let's see what that looks like. 6 a.m. Snow exiting southeast areas early this morning. Temps dropping below freezing and winds are picking up. They're pretty gusty. Most saw no snow accumulation. The wind has dried most surfaces, so we're avoiding widespread icy issues this morning. So that's good news. As we mentioned yesterday, the precip came in much quicker. So we knew that the cold air was going to struggle to meet the precip before it cut off. So that's why we put the kibosh on the snow totals. Here are the rain totals, though. Still working for New York, but a general inch to inch and a half for the Northeast. Less as you go further north. The tri-state area got about an inch to inch and a half, right on target. Really nothing happening up in the Storm Prediction Center. We have some thunderstorms, Idaho, maybe Wyoming. Nothing too severe. Especially when you consider what things have been like over the past few days in terms of severe weather. So it's nice to get a little bit of a respite. And yes, today is the last day of winter, so the warm-up begins, pushes through next week, and we will see that warm-up on the weeklies map. I'm going to pull up here. So it's the temperature anomaly, 2 meter, which is 6 feet. We usually take temperatures at 6 feet off the ground. Just a little nerd fact for you. Pretty warm in the northern half of the country, particularly the northeast. Probably looking 3 to 7 degrees higher than average for this time of year. Only cold areas is the Pacific coast and the Gulf Coast as well. We'll see if there's a low that pops in here. Still too soon. And then let's leave it with the precip. So, pretty dry except for the heartland and potentially a little conveyor belt of moisture that'll funnel through right here into the mid-Atlantic. Got to see where some parts line up and track them, and we'll go from there. This is for next week. Anyway, that'll do it for this week, and we're going to start looking at some more severe weather. You know, we'll never count out a random phantom snow threat between now and, let's say, April 15th. But when it comes to those, you know, sun angle inhibits temperature, inhibits... so it's going to have to snow really hard if we want to get a snowstorm after, let's say, 3/19/2021. But we'll see. Crazier things that happen. I am meteorologist Steve Krasnowski. Have a great weekend.